Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about the Amazon Associate Scheme and how you can basically make money when your friends or even family members buy stuff on Amazon. Now, the Amazon Associate Scheme isn't really meant for this. What it's meant for is sort of influencers or bloggers or anyone like that can write about a product and then give a link to the Amazon link, and then if someone clicks on that link and then buys the product, you get a percentage of the sale. The great thing is about the Amazon affiliate scheme is if someone clicks on your affiliate link and then buys the product sort of a day or two later, then you still get some commission for the sale. And even if people click on your product link but then don't want to buy the product but then just go order something else on Amazon, you can then get some commission from that sale too. So it's really powerful and a really cool way to make some extra money. Now, we haven't made a whole lot of money from this, but in the past sort of month or so, we have made, I don't know, £36, mostly just from a 6-month free trial to Amazon Student that we got some people to click on and sign up for the free trial. We got £3 each time someone signs up to the Amazon Student trial. So if you do anything working with young people, or you have a sort of audience, or even you have some friends who haven't signed up for Amazon Student, then you can get a bit of extra money by encouraging them to do that through your link. But like I say, this is not really how you can make big money unless you are a sort of influencer or you have a large audience on your blog or website or whatever. But it is a nice way to make a little bit of extra cash from your friends. So all you have to do is go on to the Amazon affiliate program, just Google it, press sign up, and you just have to fill in a few simple things. I think you already need an Amazon account, but I'm pretty sure most people have an Amazon account. And then you can start getting links to products. So it's pretty simple. Once you've signed up, you just have to go on Amazon and find something that you think one of your family members or one of your friends wants to buy. Say you hear your friend talking that they want to buy this TV off Amazon. Well, you go, hang on. Then you go find the TV they want to buy. For example, let's just find a random one. The LG 49-inch, whatever, for £420. Then all you have to do is go and click on the Get Text link and copy this, and say if you're writing a blog or something, you want to link to that, you can put it in there. If you've got a social media page, you can put it in there. But let's just use the example of your friend wants to buy a TV. You copy the link, you give it to them, they then click on the link and just buy the TV, and it will cost them the exact same, but you'll get a percentage of the money, sometimes up to sort of 10%. So you could get £42 just free money, just because your friend wanted to buy a TV and they got it using the link that you just generated. So it is a pretty fun way to get a bit of extra cash. You can't cheat the system too much. For example, you can't get commission using your own link, so you purchase from your own link. And I think maybe if someone lives in the same household as you also can't get money from that. But if it's a family member who lives in a different household, or if it's a friend or whatever, then you'll be able to get the money. So still going to be worthwhile doing. And that is basically that. If you do have a website or something where you want to link to the specific product, then you can go onto Image, and you can copy this and embed this into your website, and then what it will do is it will put an image of the TV on your website that when someone clicks the image, it will just be like you clicking the link. So it's the same kind of thing. But yeah, that is it, guys. A very quick video, but could be useful if anyone wants to get a bit of extra cash at the moment. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more stuff. And until next time, see ya.